For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, wondering if we were alone. Now the answer has arrived, but it's not what we expected. In the blink of an eye, our world is plunged into a battle for survival. Amidst the ruins, hope still flickers, but time is running out as the skies burn and the ground trembles. One truth becomes clear. This is our last stand.
Hey guys, Sepri here, and I will be showing you in this quick tutorial how to create that video you just watched in the beginning. So I used a couple of tools, most of which had the free option, so you don't really have to spend anything to create videos for a certain amount of time or for a certain amount of credit. Here, most of them are credit based. So the first tool I used was actually ChatGPT, and I used ChatGPT to create the video script. As you can see, this was the prompt I used, and then it just spit this out right here, and I copied this, and see where it says cut to right here. I just basically took this and I went to midjourney and I pasted them in the prompt. Now with midjourney, you do kind of have to have an account for you to be able to use the tools, but they do have like a free 25 image generation, so you don't have to spend money at first. You can just create your account and then do the free trial kind of stuff. And then so I used midjourney for the images, I used ChatGPT for the script, and then I took the images that I generated here and I went to runwayml. Now you can use runwayml's image to video tool, or you can use Leonardo AI motion tools. And as you can see, this was an image I used to test to see if it worked, and it creates very good videos. But I don't know, for the style that I was looking for, I chose to go with runwayml. But you can very much use Leonardo AI, or you can use this other tool called Pika. You can also use Pika as well, Pika Art, to create AI video images. As you can see here, they have some showcase going on right here, so you can use this tool as well. But for this video, I used this. So this is the script, and why I chose Scratch. So this is the script. And like I said, you want to take the scenes. When you create your own script, it usually would have the scenes and the voiceover all separated for you. So you want to take the scenes, copy it, and then if you're gonna use midjourney, come over here, /imagine, and then you want to paste it. And then you want to add whatever other things you want to add to it. Like as you can see, I put photorealistic, bright orange vibe, because as you can see, I wanted to have that fire and smoke vibe to all the images. So I had to add bright orange, and then I had to change the aspect ratio to 2:1. And that was about all the changes I did, or the tweaks I did to get the right image. And then as soon as I got the image that I liked, I upscaled it, clicked the image, open in browser, right clicked it, saved the image to my computer, and then I went to text image to video on runwayml, and I came, so I'll show you how to get here. So if you sign up in leonardo.ai, you have this page pop up, your dashboard kind of stuff, and you just want to come to video, and then you just go to generate video, and then you go start with image, and then upload a file. And I chose this image, right? Open it, And then this is the important part. This is the important part. You want to go to the camera motion, and you want to select what kind of camera angle you want the video to be from. If you want the video to zoom in, or you want the image to zoom out, or you want it to face a certain orientation, this is where you do it. And I did this for every single image that I generated on Midjourney. So I came and I did this a little bit. I zoomed out, I zoomed in a little bit to create that dramatic effect, and just go up a little bit. And then you save it, and then you generate. It will let you know when your generation is complete. And when it's done, this is what it's gonna look like. So you press play. As you can see, it has that zoom in effect, and slightly tilting upwards. So you want to play with that setting a little bit to get your most desired outcome. But after you do that, you want to come over here and download the video. So you want to do this for every single scene you see here from your script. Remember, you had a script. You want to take all of this stuff from the cut to, or the scenes, right? Cut to. You want to take the text, and you want to paste it in Midjourney to generate the image. And then you want to take the image and put it in text to video generation tool in Runway ML, and do that. Now for the voiceover, same thing. Copy it. You go to 11 Labs, paste it. Now for the settings, of course, you don't use text to speech, and then I used Arnold.
You can't blame gravity for falling in love.
That's what it sounds like. It's a deep British sound, and I'll show you how I found them. So you go to voices, and then you go to explore, and then what I did was I just typed in deep up here. And when I typed in deep up here, I had these options show up, and I just kept playing them to see if I liked how they sounded.
A man sees in the world.
I'm sure you've heard a lot of videos with this sample before, and you just keep testing them until you find the one you want. And like I said, here's Arnold right here.
You can't blame gravity for falling in. You can't blame gravity for falling.
When you find the vocals that you're looking for, all you have to do is just add to lab. So I already added. As you can see, you just click add to voice lab, and then you go back to your project. Go back to your speech, and then you select it right here. So as you can see, it's right here. Paste your text. As you can see, I pasted every of the voiceover from chatgpt. Voiceover. Copy it and paste it, and then it's gonna generate the audio. Gonna download it. Now when you're done downloading it, and you have all your resources gathered up, mind you, you're gonna need lots of sound effects, which you can get for free on YouTube. You just type in dramatic sound effects, no copyright, and you can find them a lot on YouTube. So that's where I got my sound effects from, for free as well. It's free. So I got those sound effects for free, all of them from YouTube. Go on YouTube and search them out. I can put some in the link if y'all want. In the comments, text in the comment what sound effects you're looking for, and I'll see if I can help you find it. So I downloaded all of it, and then I used my editing tool was actually DaVinci Resolve. It is free. I told you, man, everything over here is gonna be free. I use DaVinci Resolve. You can use CapCut. CapCut is also free, is also a good tool, but I'm used to using DaVinci Resolve. So I use DaVinci Resolve, and I basically, so this is what it's gonna look like in DaVinci Resolve. And of course, if you're using CapCut, it's a little bit different, but principles are still the same. So as you can see, I cut up the text a little bit to kind of add some space and create, a little bit of a build up. And all the images that I created, you can see them here. cut them out, added some transitions, added some fading for the audios down here, and you can see all the sound effects that I added over here: monster scream, the gunshot sound. And I didn't want to go too crazy because I didn't want to, kind of do too much. I just wanted to showcase what you can do with AI nowadays. But of course, you're more than welcome to take this as far as you want and do whatever you want to do, man. That's the point. I'm just here to show you. I'm just here to show you what's possible. And once you're done creating the image, of course, you can go in to your color grading and make sure all the coloring is nice, and then you can edit some of the sound effects and then export it, and you got yourself a whole video. If you have any question, put it down in the text in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to like, subscribe. It goes a long way. And website sasarc.com, it'll be in the description. Has all the tools and all the latest AI tools that be newly released. But aside that, that's the end of this video, and I will see you in the next one.